Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get own property descriptor. So, in the reflector object, so what it does is like the object descriptor. It has the same function, but just in a similar to the static method. So, what we're gonna do is I do not need to. Uh, what we're gonna do is this: log in on a console. I use reflect constructor. Sorry, it's not. It's reflect reflect constructor get own property and type this clip. After that, we're gonna paste the object 1, and we will paste the value property in a string. So property 1, and then what we're gonna do is value, and if we do that, it's gonna say the value, which is 42. And if there's another way things you can do, like it doesn't have that property, it doesn't contain that property, what we're gonna do is check like property 2, it doesn't exist here. So when you do that, it's gonna say undefined. And if we do other things like is it writable, like we can check like dot writable. It has a property called writable. W is small case though. Write table true. So yeah, if the the property 1 is in the freeze mode, there is a function called freeze, it will freeze that. So if we do that and then gonna type writable, it gonna say false. So this is what it does. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.